Hello, and welcome to my channel. I am Lucinda Marie, and welcome to yet another Stitch Fix video. I am super excited to try these out. I am so excited what's in here. It looks like there are 2 pairs of jeans and 2 long sleeve shirts. Plus, they sent me a pair of shoes. They have not sent me shoes in a long while, so I'm really excited to see what they are inside. We are going to try on the shoes at the very end. Now, let's go ahead and set these down here, and we will see what's inside here. Let's go see. So here we are. My shirt is adorable. I really love it a lot. It's super cute, very soft, and I do love leopard print a lot. I'm not sure if I am totally sold on it, but I do love the shirt. Maybe just not on me, but yeah, it is cute. It does fit pretty perfectly. And the jeans, I really love them a lot. See, they're super cute. They're very comfy. When I was trying them on, I just felt like I was trying on like a second skin. It was just so soft and just so like comfortable. I don't know if I'm sold on them either. I do love them a lot, but I think that we need to try on the second outfit. Here we go. Look at that! Oh my word, so adorable. I love this shirt a lot. I will tell you, this is so comfy. When I first put it on, I mean, I'm telling you, the feel of it is so soft. It is so cozy. Definitely something that you just want to cozy in on a really cold winter day. This is adorable. I really love the shirt. I am really thinking about keeping it. As for the jeans, I really like them. However, they are more like a capri. But I did notice that it is cuffed, but you can actually pull the cuff down and make them longer if you want them. But I love the jeans. I'm not sure if I am completely sold on them, but I do think that I might be keeping this. I mean, this is like super cute. I love the hoodie and everything. The hoodie is just so much fun, and it's so cozy. It's just like something I just want to cozy up in. Anyway, so now I want to show you the shoes. Woo! Wow, these are so cute! Oh my word! So adorable. So they are like a violet plum colored. The fact that Stitch Fix does have my size, it is very exciting because I wear a size 11 in women's. So I do have bigger feet. So when they send me shoes, it does make me super excited. I think we need to try them on. I really like the detailing along the side. They are extremely, really beautiful. I really like them a lot. I can't wait to try them on. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so here the shoes are. They're super cute. Let's go out to the side here so you can see them. Adorable. I love them. Although I do think that they would look really good with a longer pair of pants. Not a pair of capris, definitely not. With a good pair of jeans, these will be like super adorable and like super cute. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a big, humongous thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel down there, and I will see you next time.